Etsy is really one of the worst places to sell 3D models while also being one of the best places to sell 3D prints. But there's a lot of problems with it, so we ended up creating an alternative to it called Portals, but we'll get back to that in a second. Let's talk about Etsy itself. If you are selling 3D prints on Etsy, if you are designing something original and selling it and it's 3D printed, that's fine. You're good, you're golden, do whatever you want to do. Etsy has great advertising tools in place, and while they do have a lot of fees that nickel and dime and peck at you all over the place, it's still a really good deal if you are appropriately pricing and modeling your stuff. But the issues with Etsy are many and not far between. One of the big issues are all the fees. Like there are the listing fees, the sign-up fee, the advertising fees that are sometimes optional, sometimes not, and then just all this other stuff that keeps on biting at you all the time, payment processing fees. But that is part of using a platform. Etsy kind of sucks because there's 20 of them rather than just being a straight fee, but they're all over the place and they nickel and dime you all over the place. Etsy also has really high standards on sellers to try to get a lot of sweat labor out of you to where you're working on weekends answering messages to get a response in 24 hours because it's not 24 business days, no, it's 24 hours. So if somebody emails you on Saturday morning at 2 a.m., you need to respond to them in that same day, even though you might be on vacation or it might be Labor Day, whatever it happens to be. It's a very big grind. Plus, once you get the order on Etsy, you are responsible for fulfilling that order. So you need to ship it quickly, you need to get it back. Sometimes if the customer says, oh, it's bad, but it's not, then you're in Etsy's review process and they decide whether you get a refund or not and all this kind of stuff. It's all the problems of dealing with a platform. And more recently, Etsy has taken a hard knock on 3D printed selling to where if you are not selling an original model that you yourself designed and are still instead selling a licensed model, which is totally all right because you licensed the model, you might get in trouble on Etsy because Etsy wants only original products. They don't want people selling a lot of the same thing. Of course, the example of all of this is the fidget dragons on Etsy. But this just creates a lot of uncertainty. Etsy has a lot of bots on their site too that will just shut down your store kind of arbitrarily. Literally, if you log into it from a computer that is not your normal computer, that could get your store flagged and shut it down. It's very, very finicky. So what is the alternative? There are other selling sites, but many of them just have no traffic and that kind of thing. And if you're driving traffic to it, you might want to look at something like Shopify, but Shopify has advertising and is a lot of work to get set up. Etsy is a lot of work to get set up. All the implementation, it's just a lot. And if you just have this little gadget that you want to try to see if anybody wants about, you want it quick and easy. This is why we made Portals. Portals, you upload a model, you give it a title and a description, and then you set a price and it's for sale. You can share the link to your socials, you can share it to a group, you can share it with your friends and family, you can share it at a QR code at a church bake-off. You can do whatever you want with it. So it's very fast and easy to get an item for sale. And since it's only your listing and everything else is taken care of in the back end, if somebody orders the product, Slant 3D prints it and ships it directly to them for you. So you don't have to get a second job running a print farm. You're able to list in literally 30 seconds, and you do not have to pay any fees at all because since Slant 3D is printing the part, we charge you for the manufacturing of the part. If it doesn't sell, you don't owe us anything. That's the easy way of getting around it. So Portals was created to allow 3D printing businesses to do what they need to do, create and design awesome products and get them shared with the world by whatever means work for you. Their portals are designed for social media to share in a link tree on an Instagram or on a TikTok to where you can just make videos of your product and learn how to market and show it off and show your journey. And that is how you can get a lot of sales without having to do everything else yourself either. You don't have to worry about sales tax. You don't have to worry about listing fees. You don't have to worry about printing, packing, and shipping. You have to design a good product. And this is a perfect platform to allow designers to just design. So we're really excited about Portals. It's a great alternative to Etsy where you had a bunch of work and a bunch of fees and then maybe you would sell one. If you just have a design laying around, you can upload it right now and see if anybody wants to get a hold of it. And it's quick and easy. Have a great day, everybody.